Hello, welcome to a new tutorial video from Doc365. I'm Alex. In this video, I'm going to show you how SharePoint File Insights work. File Insights helps you to understand a document or a file better even before opening it. Using this feature, you can understand a document better and you can save time as well as improve your decision making when it comes to accessing a file or managing your file content. So let's see how File Insights work in SharePoint. So this is one of our document libraries. Let's see how File Insights can be accessed. So let's go to a folder where there is a lot of content documents. So these are our blogs actually. So to get a file insight regarding a document, you just need to move your mouse pointer over the file like this. So as you can see, there will be a new pop-up available which comes with a lot of information regarding the document. So this is the document here. This is the name of the document. So first it shows how many views the document gains, and there's also another extended section called Inside Look, which shows how many minutes required to read this document. This is to just give an idea about how much content is inside the document. And there is also a little content piece taken randomly from this document to give you a simple preview. So this is a common example of File Insights pop-up, and each data will be different for each document. So let's look at another document here. Yeah. So this content document has 16 views, and it is this is the preliminary view of the content inside. So this is how a content document looks like when you are accessing the file inside. Now let's see another type of document, which is a report or something, and see how the details for that document is populated. So let's see a report here. This is a report. So as you can see, as before, first it shows the content title or the document title or file name, and then it shows the total views it gained. And here, instead of a content overview, this shows the conversations which you are part of regarding this document. So this is there are two conversations listed here. One is both of these conversations happened in Teams, Microsoft Teams in this case. First one is a post shared in a marketing Teams channel. Second one is a group conversation. So by clicking it, you can actually go directly to this conversation. Now let's take another example here. Let's see how this document looks. So it shows only the views this document has gained. There are 7 views. This is because this document doesn't involve in any kind of conversations or recent updates. So that's the reason. So this is actually a contents form. It shows only the views. By clicking on the see details option here, you can go to more details about the document, such as who has access. You can access, you can edit the access to this document here, file name, thumbnails, activities, etc. Also, there is also the path. You can copy the path here, size of the file, the type file, format of the file, etc. Here is another content document. So this just gives the view and the time to read. Just click on the ellipses here. You can go to edit at a glance section. So this takes you to the content section where you can add at a glance option. This works like a meta description. So if there is no content already, you can click on add to a glance option, and you can enter a description here, anything. I'll just type in test for now and click on save, so that next time when you hover over your mouse at this document, it will show this particular text we just provided. We'll just refresh the page and see how whether it gets updated fast. So this is how it works. And now let's see another example here. Let's go to a more BC documents can give us more good examples. So this is our backlinks list document. So as you can see, there are 979 views for this document, and there is a activity highlight section added to this files insight. It shows Allah and Nitin edited yesterday. You can click on open to open the file. You can click on views to get a better understanding about the views it gained in last week, or you can move backwards if required. So this is all about the SharePoint file insights. You can make use of this to understand this feature. You can get more vital information about a document even before opening it. So you don't have to open all documents in your document library. You can just hover over your files and understand the details included in the document, and then decide whether to open it or not. This helps you to spot the right documents easily, and also to understand the history behind each document better. So this is all about SharePoint file insights. Try this feature. I'm sure your team will surely improve on file accessing and SharePoint document managing, and also enhance your team's decision making when it comes to file accessing, etc. So we'll see you with another useful video soon. Have a good day.